Alright, so in this segment, I'm actually going to be wearing the earbuds just to have a feel of how is the sound quality like. So I'm going to be wearing the earbuds. This is the left, this is the right. Okay, I'm going to play them. It's a one tap. The volume is currently at 50% if I'm not wrong. Yep, it's currently at 50%. Okay, I'm just gonna down it back to 50%. Okay, currently at 50%. Okay, vocal is very clear. Currently, as a female singing. The vocal is actually very front. So a lot of instruments actually push kind of like it's in the background. Right, so I'm going to pause it. I'm going to go into another song. Right, let's go into Linkin Park and let's go with this song. A rock song. So do remember the volume is still at 50%. Okay, the bass is very decent. But it's not something that I would actually have a lot of high hopes for. The bass I think is decent enough, okay, for music listening, for casual music listening. Okay, let's change to another song. So this is actually a rock song. It doesn't really bring out the song a lot, so do not have very high expectation on the sound quality when it comes to rock song. Next, I'm going to change to something that is more bass. See, I'm just going to play. Alright, so for dance and EDMs, the detail in the amount in the song is not there, but definitely vocals is very good. Right, so let's try another one that is very high on bass. Would be Timberland. Usually I like to go for Timberland. Right, The Way I Are. The bass is just a little bit, but I'm just gonna up it to like 70% just to have a feel. Okay, so now it's around like 80-70%. Right, the bass is very soft actually. It's just a little bit of bass. I feel that for people who actually enjoy a lot of bass, you wouldn't really enjoy this, the amount of bass it's actually giving you. Right, but definitely vocals is very clear. Let's try other soundtracks, which is actually instrumental. Let's see. Classical music. Let's try this one. Instrument is definitely there. So instruments is very clear. Let's try another track. This is piano as well. With flute. It's nice. But it doesn't sound too harsh. So far I feel that vocals and instruments on the XT62 is very nice. But it's just that for the bass and this kind of stuff, when it comes to dance, EDMs, rock, it's not really its plus point. Well, anyway, this has only been my first impression of the Lenovo XT62. I will actually be continuing to do further testing, my personal thoughts of this earbud. Alright, so definitely the full review will be coming up. If you don't want to miss it, do remember to actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.